tree. "This is a fine place to rest for the night," Father Elmsworth whispered. "Thank you, Pipkin. You woke up the river's dream." N.N. Pipkin gave a sleepy smile. He found a perfect spot on a patch of moss that felt like a thick, velvety blanket. He curled his small body into a ball, tucking his trunk close. From his spot on the bank, he could see the Whiskerwink family getting ready for bed. Mother Will-O-Wisp pulled out a tiny blanket made of the softest dandelion fluff and tucked it around Squeak and Pip, who were already fast asleep, dreaming of sparkling rivers. And the Glimmerwood was now filled with a profound and gentle peace. The Stardust stream flowed on, a silent, glowing lullaby winding its way through the forest. The moon petals shone with a soft, contented light, and Pipkin, the little elephant with the magical sneezes, closed his twilight-colored eyes. He could feel the gentle hum of the river in the ground beneath him, a soothing vibration that traveled